Stop landing primo!
Can't stop the feeling. How many games, I wonder how many games we've actually played. I beat Gabe probably 6, 7 times.
67,000.
67,000 times.
All right, well, the strategy of every single time I ever play Aaron is to get extremely warmed up and then let him be freezing.
It's actually freezing.
Hope to go first and then land every heel flip trick that I know, back to back to back to back.
If he does that right now, he's got a 99.9% chance of winning.
Correct. And in the likeliness that I miss my first heel flip, he will then begin to psychologically just retain the real estate that he's had for 10 years.
Yeah.
And I will slowly defeat myself. And it will be somewhere around the realms of skaters to like SK.
Are we playing skaters?
Yeah.
ERS. Okay.
Yeah. So that's the typical cadence of our games of skate, how it's gonna go today.
And he's letting me warm up right now.
No.
I'm basically.
All right, let's go.
Dang it.
It's going all according to plan.
If he lands a heel flip right now, I'm If he doesn't, I got him. Yes!
I just tried to land a trick for the last hour and 45 minutes, and that's the first trick I've done other than that, and I'm not at all surprised that that just happened.
And why he didn't just start with an ollie or a 180? I'm playing it safe, I'm warming up. I cannot let Gabe Cruz take me down right now. Frontside 180, baby. Come on now.
See what I mean about his mental warfare?
Come on now. Okay, good. My back hurts already.
Good.
Shove it. No pop.
This is like the liveliest day in the city.
I know, everything is going on. First try, this man's unstoppable.
It is getting cold. It's definitely getting cold. There's like a little brisk sea air coming in.
It's freezing.
Watch this. Let's get cute with it.
Oh wow, you had to steeze it out like that.
No.
Come on now. Wow.
This is high risk.
I know. Oh wow.
Woo, baby.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Come on,
right
I'm landing
here.
some tricks.
Let's go.
He's just playing dirty.
Playing dirty. Okay. No! I had one chance. There's no letters. We're right back where we started. And I've let him warm up too. This is not good.
He gave me the no hands.
Got him! Can't stop the feeling. He didn't think I could land a heel flip. Stop it.
That was so clean. Yes!
What? He draws first blood. That's okay. He's just making me mad.
Fudge! Are you kidding me?
That's it.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa!
But does he have that trick, nollie? Let's see if he's got the little nollie.
Whoa!
Please tell me I almost didn't fall on that. Wow! This man's popping it.
Nollie big? It's a good one.
Yeah.
Forgot about that
Been a while. What the hell, Gabe?
You think your puny switch front 180 can conquer me?
Yes.
You would be correct. But not today.
Okay, this boy's on fire.
Ah, it's a good one. That's a good one, you scumbag.
Okay, S to S.
That was the best run of my life.
Now I've got him on the, it literally was. Now he's on the rope, fully in his head. You ready?
Whoa, I hit a crack.
Okay. No!
Whoa, whoa! Let's take it down a notch here, all right? Let's all just calm down.
Yeah, thank you.
You got wax?
Huh?
You got wax?
No, I don't have wax, but I do have this trick. Wow, look at that. TJ Rogers. That's a really cold fall. Very, very cold.
It's kind of nice being on the ground. Tired. Oh, all right, I got K.
I'm gonna go, this is as dirty as it gets. This is for Chris McNugget.
No switch for.
That was a pretty good one too, I ain't gonna lie.
Wait, that was front side. My bad. I forgot. My bad. My fault. I got confused. This way.
You can do it any way, yeah. Yeah, no, that's defense. We'll give that.
That does not count,
We'll
dude.
give that to you. It's defense.
That does not count.
I mean, that's a dirty trick.
That's the hardest trick in skateboarding right there.
It is, actually.
Switchback one.
God, what else do I got?
I know, the flip tricks they're starting to have to come out. And
I'm just
not.
scared.
Yeah, me too.
My bones are cold.
Imagine a shinner right now.
I can't. It'll literally break my legs off.
Oh. Ow.
Ah! Actually didn't hit me, but did scare me. Scared the living. Yeah. Unlike Gabe, I think I'm better going this way on this trick.
Nice, Aaron. Good
I
stuff.
can't believe I landed that. Stop it! Stop!
Did you see that dragged on the ground?
Yeah, but it was a clean land. SK
K to K.
Once again, we've tied up. Holy!
Haven't flicked one of those in a while.
He literally just tried a big flip. Okay, I'm gonna land this.
Dang.
Stomp.
Keeping them alive.
Dang, keep him alive.
We appreciate your contribution to keeping varial flips alive.
Wow. Of course, the GOAT of varial flips will land the varial flip, of course.
That thing flicked good.
Okay, okay, Gabe. No!
No! You gotta be kidding.
Here we go, offense. Here we go. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
My defense has been so bad, but we're doing our best.
You mean your defense has been so good?
What a game, huh?
What a game.
What a game.
We're running out of tricks here.
I mean, truly. The hard tricks are gonna start coming out here quickly.
I know, what's left? Oh wait, I know.
I know exactly what you're gonna do.
No, I was gonna do that, but
Oh,
I'm not.
okay.
I'm not. I'm doing
You can
this
save
one.
that till later. Oh. Yeah, I saw that coming as soon as you started rolling this way.
Yeah,
It's a good choice.
that way would be the other direction.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep my pattern here.
Oh my word, that was good.
It's an A for me.
What is that, A?
That's A, yep. Switch heel, huh? Switch front big?
I did learn that trick pretty good the other day, but it's been a minute. Whoa! Normally this is my trick. This is how I would take him out. But I'm just so, I know I'm complaining, but it is so cold. I'm just fearing for my shins. And last weekend, I just got the worst shinner. Look at that, it's still bloody. I don't want to do that again. Believe in yourself, believe. Woo-wee! Thank you.
All right, should we start going a little deeper here?
Yeah. No! He said, should we start going a little deeper here?
The deeper I went.
He literally did go. I thought, whoa, what a good idea. We haven't done fakie flip yet. Why didn't he just do a fakie flip? Start off with just a fakie flip.
What was that?
Fakie flip. Oh. Just one singular.
After doing fakie double, it's so hard to do fakie single.
I said you should have started with that. Yeah.
Dude, I went like 12% effort on that flick.
Yeah.
Yes.
You didn't half cab heel, back heel, front heel, varial heel.
Yes.
Heel body varial.
It's easier than anything else. Stop landing primo! It hurts! It's too cold.
Ow! Ouch! That hurt, that hurt. There it was.
Oh, I hate when the game gets to this point.
You should have never missed that. That was it!
You want to play skaters or E? What are you feeling?
Skaters.
Okay.
Wait, what are you at?
I'm at T.
T? I'm tweaking out because the difference in my trucks. I have to like get over it. Wow,
Oh,
Sheesh.
God, I don't want to do that. I do not want to do that.
You just did big flip. You can do big flip, you can do fakie tray.
It's E.
Yes,
Stop
sir.
landing primo, dude. I'm so over it. They all hurt so bad right now.
I know.
It's so cold. Oh, I do not want to do that either.
It's backside slider it.
I'm hitting like the point where I'm just like, come on, just trying to survive.
Yeah.
Final letter.
I knew it. Shut up, that was good.
You want to count that?
Yeah, that was just as good as my frontside flip. I could have landed that.
You could.
Just for the record. I didn't, but I could have. Okay, that's A. Oh my God, Gabe.
God, dude, that's my trick. What are you doing? Is that pressure or inward heel?
Inward heel, baby. Leave it in the comments below. Was that pressure or inward heel? I'm trying inward heel.
Can't believe I'm about to lose on an inward heel from Aaron. There's lows of my career, and this is one of them. Good stuff, but that hurts.
I'm working on them. I practice them. You gotta do like your feet basically cross this way. This way. Yeah.
I've done them before. It's been a while though.
Because that trick sucks. It's the worst trick ever.
Good game, AK. That was a really fun game. That was had a little battle there at the end. Some of the normal tricks didn't work out, but that little run we had at the beginning was fun, man.
It was incredible.
That was good. I like that.
And the double flip's so good.
Thank you.
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed this game of skate. You should go out there and have an absolute blast, learn how to ride your skateboard. We'll see you in the next video.